Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
The war in Yemen has caused many people there, especially children, to suffer. Impede.
The regional chief of the United Nations Children's Agency visited children affected by the war in the Yemeni city of Hodeidah. He said authorities in Yemen are making it difficult to deliver needed humanitarian aid, including food and medicine. He warned that efforts to impede relief could cause massive starvation and disease.
To impede something is to delay or block its progress or movement.
When an action is impeded, it is difficult to complete.